Greetings, my dear sailors. I am Sasha Goron. I am from Interparus team, and our team is a dealer of some French shipyard. And I want to show you not a review of this boat, because this boat is very famous. It's not super new model. I will show you all customization what we install for this boat. And by the way, this boat for sale. It was surprise for us, because 2 days before the guy who received this boat just saw one big catamaran, immediately change. This boat now for sale. You can ask me option list of this boat, and I show you full complete what we install on this boat. So let's go, and I will show you my dream cut, my dream boat, and I think you enjoy it. Come on. So let's start from outside, and you can see here we install protection. It's small details, but it's very important. We install only on the alt and on the middle cleat. I didn't install it on bow because it is not necessary. And we install rod support for fishing rod. I like this because this support has good connection with railing. I like this one. It's really more comfortable for using. So let's go to cockpit, and in transom you can see, and you tell me, oh, it's thick or flexi thick. No, this is tech deck. It's British material. It was first boat where we tried to install this covering, and I enjoyed it. It's better than flexi-thick because it's more washable, and also it's very good view. So here we have barbecue, gas barbecue. We have special connecting here. It's full size. It's very easy for cleaning. Here you see life raft. I'm especially looking for 4-water Hero, because it's very small, and it's very suitable here for this part of catamaran. Whatever I enjoyed this size, I hope customer never will be used. So here we put dinghy. It's 3D tender with Hippalon. Customer asked us about the latest dinghy. And here you can see inox padai. It's our job. Also small detail, but you see how it's very easy using to fix it this boat for long navigation. And we combined this dinghy with electric engine. It's e-propulsion. I like it. It's better than Torpedo, you know. And especially I bought 5 motor like this, and now almost all of them sold. And this engine is fantastic for this small boat. So, and you make a very easy lifting up. Yeah, it's a small winch we can use especially for generator. Yeah, you have block here, and you can use for generator, and of course you can use for dinghy. If dinghy with full motor, it's any girl can do it very easy. So follow me on the cockpit, and you see a full lateral tenting here. It's a really good producer in the equipment we install it. Look on this cushion. It's our design. It's more thin. We save place for storage of this cushion, and you can see we have make jump here. It's more comfortable, and we made additional place here for reading book. You can read Dreiser or somebody from classic authors, and you can appreciate this comfortable captain's chair. I like it. In these chairs I feel myself a real captain. Chef, my room, and room please. So guys, and now let me show you steering position, and it's my favorite place here, and I installed much interesting things there, and let's go. So look at this beautiful steering wheel. Except design is better for the sun, is not so hot, and profile is better for hands, to take in the hands. Also, except Garmin, we install here Raymarine. It's Axiom 12 Pro S. It's more powerful stuff in Raymarine range of this size. We have two. I will show you one on Salon. Yeah, and I also installed two additional i70 small display and one for autopilot. Also, look at here, this small net, this for handle, and we also make some saturation for this step, for this net. It's very good. Also, shipper didn't install here Flexitick, but we can, and we did. It's very important because here you work so much. It's zone of big activity. I think they must cover this place by Flexitick or Tech Deck. In this case, it's Tech Deck. And look at this wall. It's also additional comfort when somebody here and somebody here. It's more comfortable for people here and here in one time, in one place. And look at this. It's also a small thing, but it's very important. Here we placed all our hook. And for your drink, guys, we install here a small fridge. This 20 liters Dometic fridge. Oh, what we have? Of course, rosé. Oh, cochon volant. Oh, I will present you when you buy this boat. I will present you, and we will drink together. So, do you want to visit our salon? We also have some interesting here. You know that Fountaine Pajot has a really good air space between salon and cockpit. Yeah, I like it. Now we on our kitchen, and we have small surprise and big surprise. Small surprise at this knob. Yeah, we change it because sometimes with shipyard styles we have some trouble from your pocket, from your beautiful dress, and now we change it for this knob. Yeah, and bigger one surprise, it is, ta-da, we install here high technology dishwasher. It's named Bob. You can connect by Wi-Fi for your telephone. Let's go here, guys, and here a good place for coffee machine, for ice maker, for your whiskey, and all this stuff needs electricity. Yeah, and we organize here double sockets and USB sockets to charge your device, and symmetrically we install additional sockets there. I think it's okay. Also, we install additional sockets on the kitchen because only one is not good. And then we install here myself. Yeah, and let me show you captain's corner here for a real old salt captain. Here we have Dubbin Raymarine, also Axiom 12 Pro S. We have VHF here. voltmeter for our big panels, solar panels, and fusion. Fusion I don't like, but we receive from shipyard, and we have this music. Good size of clock and barometer. And guys, what do you think how I found place for meteo station? Now you see, now we wait for good wind, barometer is dropped down. Yeah, I like it. Let's see this TV set. It was big wish of our customer. Personally, me, I don't like so big TV set, but finally it's very pretty and it's look very well. It can use on any position, and we have specially fixing here for your navigation. And of course, in the corner you can find a PIRB buoy, and never use it, I hope. Take attention that fridge on the folio, because the boat is real new, and we have here also protector from shipyard. The boat totally new, and it can be yours. So, and last surprise here, what do you think here? Of course, here's freezer. It can be a fridge or it can be a deep freezer. I like it. It's possible to work for 12 volt, for 220, and yes, we make wiring here, and about 20 liters capacity, and also you can remove for your picnic. I think it's good solution, and also you have some place for water. It's very good gadget here. So let's see beautiful master cabin. I will show you something interesting. Come on. So you know, for this 40-footer, master cabin has huge space. It's very roomy. Big bed, 2 meters on 2 meters to 1.6. I think it's enough. Here we put slated base. It's very comfortable. Yes, and we have enough space here. Just I want to show you this big toilet. Big heat, can work on two kinds of water, salty water or sweet water. You can switch how do you want. You know that sweet water is more better for smell. No smell. Let's see the bathroom. Shower is really roomy. Enough place for so fat guys like me. And you can see here it's our washing machine. Also very new. It's full automatic washing machine for 3.5 kilo. So let me see starboard engine room, my friend, and here we install fire extinguisher, and look that it's a free controller for our solar panels. If somebody know what for they did like this, please give me some comments. And look, this very interesting net for some storage here. And now port side. Just here we put some good box for storage. 1, 2, 3, 4 box. Our technician install here. They like it to put some stuff, some tools. Yeah, good. Look on this sun deck. It's my idea. Yeah, I like it. I want to use this space. And also look on the back. Here we install bigger solar panel what you can receive from shipyard, and with free controller I think we multiply in 3-4 times electricity which we receive from our sun. Full ecologic, full natural electricity which we receive for this solar panel through free separate controller for each panel. Come on. Our foredeck is here. We have bench. It's a very good place to see for dolphin. We have bowsprit. We have full equipment for gennaker, for downwind sails. And you can see my design of mattresses here. I didn't put pillow here because some clients use especially pillow in different colors. And few words about our team, about Interparus company. We worked 15 years, and 3 years before we made some relocated. We opened base here in Rochelle because Rochelle is capital of sailing, of European sailing. Of course, I invite you. Our team from Ukraine, and now we have hard time. Of course, we made all for our country, for our victory. We dream then our country will be free from Russian aggressors. Our team has dealership of Fountaine Pajot, Dufour, Allures and Garcia, and etc. And also we have sailing school here. We have a technical base here in La Rochelle. If you need some helps with technical installation here in La Rochelle for your Fountaine Pajot, Naughty or Bali, our team would be glad to help you. So guys, I think you enjoyed this boat like me. I just remind, this is boat for sale. This is Isla 40 of Fountaine Pajot shipyard. This boat produced in 2021. I think it's a very good condition boat and only 28 hours on engines, and this boat can be yours. She is fully prepared for happy navigation, full complete of safe equipment. Just call me and this boat will be yours. So I am Sasha Goran, please call me, don't hesitate. Bye.